Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to look at the markets and analyze what are the trades for this week. We have a couple of news in this week on Tuesday, that is the 19th of September, and on Wednesday, that is the 20th of September. 20th of September we also have the FOMC. So we will try to capitalize on the volatility that these events bring. So first of all, coming to Dixie. So as highlighted in the previous post, I told you that Dixie would bottom here and would go up from here. So what's next? So zooming in on the weekly, Dixie might tell us where it wants to go. So there is a swing high liquidity left here on the Dixie. So probably on the news, Dixie comes and takes out these stops and then runs towards the swing high liquidity. So this could mark the top as well for Dixie, and then it could rally back down to the 90s, but we will have to see. For the news event, I think Dixie would go towards the 105.9 liquidity, as it is the nearest liquidity and it is in an uptrend. As you can see, it is in an uptrend, so it makes complete sense to take the 105.9 liquidity on the news event after taking out these lows. So I am not looking to take a trade on Dixie because it is in a dicey situation. I am just using it as a confluence to take other trades. My main trades would be on gold, because as you zoom in on gold on the weekly time frame, it is in the weekly breaker, so I expect bearish downturn from here, and it is at an important level, so I would be taking trades on gold, not on Dixie. So zooming in on gold, so what do I see is this 4-hour resistance, zone which has been taken. So I might look for a trigger here and enter a trade here once it starts closing back inside, and then target the lows here. So this could be a potential short position, like if I start shorting here and start building a position here, a stop loss tight above here, and this could be a possible 7 to 8 hour trade targeting these lows. So this would be my main trade, that is the gold short. So I am looking for triggers currently. I am waiting for this high to be taken, this high to be taken, so we could enter a trade. So I would be using Dixie as a confluence to enter on my gold trade. So there is a confluence on Dixie and gold, as you might know that as gold goes up, Dixie goes down. So inversely related, if Dixie would go up, gold will go down. So I'm waiting for this area to short it. And another trade that I'm looking in the Forex pairs is for USD CAD. So coming to the weekly of the USD CAD, you could see it is in a range. This blue level and this blue level is the range highs and range lows. So if we create a mid-range of this levels, it comes round about here. So now if we zoom it on the 4-hour, we get to know that it is hovering around the mid-range. So currently it is looking like it is bearish, retesting the mid-range, and it will fall down. But I doubt that will happen because dollar is in a strong position and I expect it to reclaim and go above. So one more position that I am targeting here is the USD CAD long. So also we have CAD news today, so I would be live streaming that. If you want to know how I execute my trades, you could join that stream. So one trade I would be looking is that something along these lines, targeting these highs. Zooming in on the 30 minutes, I could explain better. So there is CAD news today, so I expect these lows to be taken, then it comes back inside on the news, and then we could trade it to the highs. So this could be a good trade, potentially 10 to 12 hour trade, if I could execute somewhere around here. Stop loss below the lows and targeting these highs. So yeah, it is a 5-hour trade. Not bad, not good, but yeah, manageable. High probability trade. So another commodity or market I'm looking at is the UK 100, the index futures of the United Kingdom, just like ES is in US. So why I'm looking at it is because it is at a weekly swing high. It is at a weekly swing high. That's the issue, and I am expecting it to come down from here, like at least take out these lows. So zooming in on the 4-hour, I am waiting it for it to take out these lows. I will execute here and then down till here. So yeah, I am looking for a UK 100 short as well. Why? What is the reason? As I told you before, that it is at a weekly swing high liquidity and it has taken it out on the 4-hour. So I am expecting one more bounce here and then it goes to the lows. So yes, up till now I have told you that Dixie might go up on the news and we might take a trade on gold, USD CAD and UK 100. These three things are clearer to me in the entire market other than anything, and other pairs I will use to confluence my trades only. Dixie is clear to me as in its direction, but I have no trade on it. I have trades on gold, USD CAD and UK 100. So now moving on to Euro USD. Now, as I told you that Dixie might go up, so what might Euro do? So if you have a closer look on Euro on the weekly charts, it has taken out its swing low liquidity, weekly swing low liquidity, and zooming in on the 4-hour, you see that this is a trend line liquidity being created. So on the news, I expect to take out this liquidity while Dixie takes out 105.9. Euro takes out this liquidity and it shoots up and starts a uptrend maybe. So this could play out, but this could be the other trade, a next week trade, not this week. Same with GBP on the weekly hasn't taken out its swing low liquidity, so I'm waiting for that, and as soon as Dixie takes out its 105.9 liquidity, maybe GBP also takes out this weekly level, and in the next week we could target the highs. So these are the forex trades and the index futures trades that I am looking for, and the gold trade just I told you. On the crypto side of things, BTC is bit of in a mid range of the range high and the range low, as you can see, and this is not probably the area where I would like to do business on BTC. I am looking for a spike up on CPI or FOMC, and then I could short it and down towards here, and if it comes down towards here, it would be maybe new lows. I think this low won't held if we take this high and come down towards this, so it would be good short here. But currently I have no trades on BTC and I am just waiting. So yeah, I have told you about 3 trades. On the gold I am looking to short around the level 1934. On the USD CAD I am looking to long and just waiting for the news that is about to come today, and then I would long it. And UK 100 I am looking to short around the levels of 7750. So that's it from my side.